There are two ways to sorting in using dividing and conquer method. There are two ways to divide and conquer. First is merge sort and second is quick sort. In merge sort, we will performing this sorting of data using two ways. First is two array merge sort and second is one array merge sort. In the first, they are using a two array. By using this two array and by joined is one array. Here, okay. First, two array merge sort. This merge sort is will sort two array A and B, place them into array C. How I say, like one array is combined. There are combined two array. It is combined in one array. So one array is A, second is B. There two are combined together and sorting. After sorting, it will be in this array C. Okay. This sorting technique is external sorting. Means this is not internal sorting like our insertion sort, shell sort, bubble sort. There are many sorting techniques. This type of technique is known as internal sort, but this is not. This is a external sorting. Okay. In merge sort, first of all, both array A and B are sorted using a selection sort. First of all, what it do here? First, there are two array here. First A, second B. So first A is using sorting method, which so this method is selection sort. This using technique, it will be sorted. After they sorted, then using this method. Okay. Then using this array. This array is also using this method. This method is also using this selection sort. After using this selection sort, what do? First and second areas are combined together and it will be read, otherwise it will be joined in this third array, which is known as C, array of C. Okay. The first here SM is in this here. First, what will we do? First loop will be start by 6, because here our array is okay, our array is 6, array A of 6, second is B of 6, so it will be addition of 12, so it will be combined two array. Which two array? This first and second, it will be combined and merging. After merging, it will be inserted in third array. Okay. So third array will be using a 12 elements, because first and second is 6 6. Okay. So first will be 6, so we will write first loop. First loop is always 6. It will be temporary one step by step by running for 6 step. Okay. In 6 step, what will checking first element of first array and second element of first array. First element and second element, it will be checking if it is less than or greater than, whatever you write in condition of sorting for using a swapping logic. Okay. Here also using the swapping logic. Yes. Swapping logic also using. In third one variable, which is hold a second value, and second value hold a first value will be right in our variable, which is known as temp. Okay. This is for first array. Okay. The second array, in second array using a second condition, which is B of I greater than B of J. So the second array is B. B is B array. In B array, what to do? First element and second element also checking if it is less than or greater than, as whatever you use condition in your program. So it will be swapping. After swapping, we get two arrays, but now it's not unsorted. Now it is sorted, because using the insertion sort logic, using the selection sort logic, this logic is using, then it will be sorted. First array and second array is sorted. Now what logic we will apply? Combine logic, merge. Now will be combine two array for. So first will be write of 12 step loop, because two arrays are 6 elements, so it will be like a 12 elements. So the next loop will be provide a 12 step. In this 12 step, what checking first element of A, means first element of first array, and check it will be second element of first. Okay. First element of first array and first element of second array. In second array, see, in second array's first element is less than of first element of first array. So what can we do? So it is go and it is inserted. So this element is inserted in third array. Third array which C. So array of C, it will be used, it will be inserted. What inserted? So if B's element means second element, means second array's first element, it is less than of first element of first array. So what will we do here? So here inserted this element of this first arrays, here inserted first element in the third array. Understand? If it is not possible, so what? So second array of element, this will be inserted in third array. Okay, it is a simple logic. What do it do? Just joint of two arrays, because sorting is also available when this condition is also right, because this condition is do if the number of 6 element in number of 6 second element. So we will be write it two array. The first array is represent 6 element and second array represent 6 element. This 6 element will be end of the loop. So I will be check if last of element, so loop is break. Okay, so I will write this condition, and the other loop here, and the other loop, it is the all elements of combine are going in third array for using this two loop. This is for a second array of element, this is for a first array of element. This all are right in this combined of third array of element. Okay, it is the known as merge array, but using a two array. Okay, this is a merge sorting using two array. Two array are combined, sorting and display. Okay, it is a simple program. Okay, the next one array merge. First we will just check. Okay, here we check. There are two arrays here in following here, right in C. Two arrays, A of 6, B of 6. It will be unsorted two array data. It will be sorted in the third array, which is C. Okay, SMS we write this loop. Okay, 11, 12, 13. It's all are sorted and combined also. Okay, so it's easy for understanding. Okay, now we will understanding second point. Now what second point say? Okay, one array merge sort. What is a one array merge sort? Array using this sorting technique. The second way only use one array. No, it is using previously two arrays. Okay, one array here used, then it will be dividing your array by partition. Okay, so we will be discuss about it, as we have already discussed in merge sort divide and conquer rule of breakpoint. Okay, I will say again, it will be one divide and conquer technique. In merge sort, we break the given array midway. For example, if the original array had a 6 element, merge sort will be divided down to sub array 3 element 3 element. Here it will be say like we will using a 6 elements of array. To merge sort we will do first it will be do divide in two arrays, means two sub arrays. First 3 elements of array, 3 elements of array. So it will be like one dividing techniques. Okay, then what do 3 array, it will also divide step by step divided. After division complete, when complete, it will be complete. One element is not done, that will be repeated dividing your one array. Okay, after one element will be take, then it use this sorting logic. Okay, so here also a description I will be described in my language. Okay, now here one diagram will see how to performing this array. Okay, so we will see what doing this. Okay, here one diagram display. What we'll do in Mergesort using a one array. One array is first of all dividing your array. So it will be here one array using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we will be writing 8 element of one array. So a of 8 means a of 10. Whatever you use in your program, in whatever you use in your element and your array. Okay. So here using a 8 element of array, so it will be divided in 4 elements like we will be previously tell. Okay, this 4 element divide, this 4 element divide. Okay, p q r whatever you say in our program, what I say there is different what you variable use, you variable name use. So I will be write p q r whatever. This is used for a dividing technique of it. Okay, so this division possible after this for division 2 and 2, this 2 and 2 divide. Then I say first of all મેં શું કીધેલું કે જ્યારે જ્યાં સુધી એના one એલિમેન્ટ ડિવાઇડિંગ નહીં થઈ જાય ત્યાં સુધી એના ફર્સ્ટ થી લાસ્ટ સુધીની પ્રોસેસ ડિવાઇડિંગની શરૂ રહેશે. જ્યારે એના એક એલિમેન્ટ ડિવિઝન થઈ ગયા ત્યાં સુધી એનું ડિવિઝન ચાલશે. એક એલિમેન્ટ થઈ જાય પછી જ્યારે જોઈન્ટ થવા જશે, ઓકે, જ્યારે એને જોઈન્ટ થવાનું નક્કી કરશે ત્યારે જોઈન્ટ થવા માટે એ એકબીજાની કન્ડિશનો ચેક કરશે કે ફર્સ્ટ એલિમેન્ટ સેકન્ડ એલિમેન્ટ કરતા મોટો છે તો હશે તો એ તેના સાથે સ્વેપિંગ થશે. ઓકે, સ્વેપિંગ થઈને પાછું એના ટુ એરેમાં જોઈન્ટ થશે. ઓકે, તો 14 અને 7 એ બંને એકબીજા સાથે ચેક કરશે. જો કન્ડિશન ટ્રુ થશે તો સ્વેપિંગ પોસિબલ થશે. 3 ને 12 માં પણ એમ થશે, 9 11 એમાં થશે અને 6 2 માં પણ એમ થશે. સમજાણું? then this divided, then this sub array it is compared this sub array. Okay, so 7 compared 3, 14 compared 12. Okay, so 3 it will be replaced here, so 3 here, 7 replaced here, so 7 here. Then 40 it is 14 is bigger than 12, so 14 it will be replaced the last of the sub array and 12 it will be replaced in 14. Okay, so it will be like this array completely done. Then second, this array and this array will be compared. So here like a previously condition like that, 9 will be compared to 11 will be compared 6. Okay, so 9 and 2 are compared each other and replaced each other. Okay, like that 11 and 6 also using this technique. Okay, so it will be done by this array. These two array are creating two sub arrays creating. Then these two sub array compared each other like our previously. Okay, 3 is compared to 7 is compared 6 12 like whatever. Okay, then after this array compared and using this totally sorting. Understand? This all are known as merge sort by using one array. This function is what used. This function is using by calling a function itself recursively. Okay, we will note that what is the recursion. Recursion is using function is called itself by calling one by one. Okay, when the condition is true. So here will be write a condition if lower is less than higher. Okay, so lower boundary of our array, high is h is higher boundary of our array. This will be condition whenever its condition is true, that function it will be called itself like recursively. Okay, it is recursively, but first it will be give this midpoint. Why will we give that midpoint? Midpoint is used to divide and conquer. Okay, when will we divide of our array by using a lower and higher. Okay, lower and higher will higher value we get. After get these two values, we will be divide by 2, and this divide by 2 it give our midpoint of our array. This midpoint is using to divide and conquer technique. Okay, so then this array it will be divide. Okay, after division it will be called merge function. This using also this right side and right side, left side and right side. Okay, this is left side, this is right side. This function is using division possible of right side, and this function is using division possible is left side. Okay, it is this also this lines is say dividing techniques whenever one element is not done. Okay, then last merge function is called. In merge function we will give the argument which array, the lower boundary of array, midpoint of array and higher boundary of array. What it will be done in this function? This function is using check first. Now what the condition I will be give, okay, when one element it will be done of our dividing element of different subarray. Okay, after give this subarray it will be using give the elements, and these loops are say for our sub elements of our subarray. So it will be give the elements what will we do and what will be next element will be say. So okay, using the program what you say. Okay, okay, here we say practically. So this function will be describe what it do, then this function is doing. So second function is what to કે જ્યારે જેટલા પણ તમારા ડિવિઝન પોસિબલ થઈ ગયા વન એલિમેન્ટમાં, તો વન એલિમેન્ટને જોઈન્ટ કરવાનું કામ શું કરશે આ મર્જ ફંક્શન. એ બધા જ એલિમેન્ટને જોઈન્ટ કરતા જશે, ચેક કરતા જશે, એની કન્ડિશન ટ્રુ થશે તો સ્વેપ થતા જશે, સ્વેપ થતા થતા પાછા જેટલા એરે થયા હશે એ બધાને જોઈન્ટ કરતા જશે. તો પેલા નંબરને એલિમેન્ટ મળશે મિડલ માઇનસ L+1, તો એ સેકન્ડ જેટલા પણ એલિમેન્ટ એને મળ્યા છે એલિમેન્ટમાં પ્લસ માઇનસ કરીને એના જેટલા આગળ પાછળના ફંક્શનને કમ્પેર કરવાના છે, કમ્પેર કરવાનું વર્ક કરશે. તો ટુ એરે એટલા માટે લીધેલા છે કે જેટલા પણ એલિમેન્ટ બન્યા છે એ બધા એલિમેન્ટ માટે ફર્સ્ટ ટુ એરે એઝ્યુમ કરેલા છે કે ટુ એરે માટે લાવવા જ પડશે. એ ટુ એરેમાં આવી જાય પછી એને સેકન્ડ થર્ડ એરેમાં લેવા પડે. તો ધીસ ટુ લૂપ્સ આર સે વોટ ફર્સ્ટ say because first is using array of our old array, means this array is which I will be get જે આપણે sorting થયેલો array લેવાનો છે તે array ની અંદર જે આ assume કરેલા array જે આવેલા છે જે dividing થયા છે બધા array ઈ array માં insert થશે. Okay, this is a what lower side means right side થી add થશે અને આની અંદર left side થી add થશે. સોરી, આની અંદર રાઈટ સાઈડ થી એડ નહીં થાય, આની અંદર લેફ્ટ સાઈડ થી એડ થશે, આની અંદર રાઈટ સાઈડ થી એડ થશે બાય મિસ્ટેક, સોરી. સો એડ થઈ ગયા પછી ઇટ વિલ બી ચેક કરશે. જ્યાં સુધી કન્ડિશન ટ્રુ થયા કરશે ત્યાં સુધી લૂપ ચાલ્યા કરશે. લૂપ ચાલીને એકબીજા સાથે ચેક કરશે કે કન્ડિશન ટ્રુ છે, એના એલિમેન્ટ્સ છે એકબીજા સાથે કન્ડિશન કમ્પેર થાય છે કે લેસ ધેન છે, આનો એલિમેન્ટ આના કરતા મોટો છે તો જે મોટો થશે એ ફર્સ્ટ એમાં એડ થશે, તેને I++ ચેક કરશે ફરીથી એ રીતે. ઓકે, તો સેકન્ડ એરે છે એના પણ એ ચેક કરતા જશે, એડ થશે, ચેક કરતા જશે, એડ થશે. એ રીતે જેટલા પણ એલિમેન્ટ છે એ બધાને એલિમેન્ટ એડ થતા જશે. એડ થયા પછી લાસ્ટમાં શું થશે એ એરેને કમ્બાઈન કરશે. ઓકે, જે ફર્સ્ટ જે L of I નો જે એરે બન્યો છે એને કમ્બાઈન કરશે એરે ઓફ K માં, અને H of J નો જે એરે બન્યો છે એને કમ્બાઈન કરશે એરે ઓફ K. After combination is possible, you will call this array. So it will be like here A is our array which will be entered data, 0 is our lower value, and higher value is our 10 minus 1, so it will be 9. So we will check what do. Okay, here is all are sorting. It's easy.